How to fix Shadowban on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Tap on the profile option given at the bottom right corner. After you land to the profile page, at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Go to the option of settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down. You can see the option of help. Tap on it. Tap on the option account status. If you have violated any of the Instagram rules, it's gonna appear over here. But you can see that in my case, I haven't violated any community guidelines. But in the case you have violated any of the rules, you can fix that. After you check this, heading towards next solution, what you have to do is open your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you'll see the option of open or update. If you see the option of update, just tap on it and update your Instagram to its latest version. And with that, your problem will be fixed. Applying these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix Shadowban on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.